Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and right here today I want to show you this L-shaped desk, which is also an electric standing desk that this brand sent to me for this video. And the reason why I have it in here is because I want to show it to you first, because I do want to put this one in my office. But to do that, I need to revamp the whole office, so that's going to be a separate video. But this one today, I want to show it to you and talk about the assembly process, talk about the quality, talk about the features of this big desk, which by the way is 65 long by 50 wide on this side. It supports 220 pounds. And it ranges in between 28 inches to 46 inches tall by adjusting the height with the control right here, which is electric, of course. It has so many other features that I'm going to show you, but the reason why it's facing this way is because I want to show you this right here. I think it's really important to have a cable management feature because it comes with the package, and having that is going to help you to declutter all those cables. And by the way, it also comes with cable management right here. I'm going to show everything to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but another one right here. One more thing before, let's talk about the assembly process. Everything is explained here in this kind of like brochure, book, or something like that. So it's not bad. It took me about, I want to say like 50 minutes with power tools. It's a big desk. There are lots of parts to assemble and lots of screws and bolts and things like that. Lots of maneuver as well, kind of like flipping the things and making sure that you put like a blanket or something in the floor while doing it so you don't scratch it. But the bottom line is that I made a mistake. So this is for you to not make the same mistake. Do not remove the parts from the bag. Each one of these parts comes with its own bag. So don't remove those, because in each bag, there is the letter of the actual part. So don't remove the bag. The first thing that I did when I opened the box was just remove all parts from the bags. And that was a big mistake. But everything is explained here. It's not super bad. If you have help, it's going to be better because, again, this is a big desk and a heavy desk. So it has some heavy parts. Let's take a closer look now. Actually, before taking a closer look, I do want to show you from the distance how tall this thing goes. I'm going to show the remote control right here in a few seconds, but bottom line, it has like a few buttons, and two of them or three of them actually has like preset memories that you can set up on your own height if you want. But this is number one with 28 inches. This is number two. Just press a button and it goes by itself. This is kind of like a mid-height, I want to say. You can still sit in here if you have like a tall chair or like a drafting chair or something like that. You can still sitting in this height, but this is a taller one, number three. This one goes up to 46 inches. So this is more for working out standing, like while standing and attending a meeting or something like that. So that is why this is so tall. It is really comfy to occasionally stand yourself and get a break of sitting the whole day or something like that. So I think this is really good and convenient to have in those three heights. So as I was telling you before, you have the option to set your own memories right here. But if not, you have 1, 2, 3. Now it's in the 3. You also have manual. You can just keep pressing and do it in manual if you want, or just you can go up if you want as well. And if you want to set up the memories, the only thing you need to do is just press right here and set up the height that you want to use. Let's put it to 2 right now. As you can see, just push button and it slowly goes down, super nice and gently, no issues there. Once that it reaches the desired height, it stops like now. A little bit more. Okay, it's gonna stop now. Perfect. And then you can go to the regular height, which is the 28 inches I was telling you before. I really like the fact that it comes with this storage, which I think it's perfect for things like pens, books, cables, just things like that you're going to use on your daily basis. So having 3 drawers, because it comes with 2 drawers, 2 right here and 1 on the other side, it's super convenient. So here's the other drawers I was telling you before, and also something super nice besides the drawers that also comes with storage right here. So this is the place that you're gonna put your monitors. I'm talking about like a big curved monitor if you want, or multiple monitors. But also comes with lights right here. You have right here a button to turn it on and off if you need, and also power outlets. Comes with this USB-C port, a USB-A, which now is being used by the lights, and 2 power outlets. So that's really convenient to, again, keep decluttering those cables from your setup. And a little bit of a close-up of the cable management right here. You can use this to route the cables from the monitors, for example, and also use that rack over there to put all the cables you have and all the power sources. There is another cable management right here on the corner as well. And here so you can see the whole structure and how big this is. Just one tiny thing. Remember, if you have sweaty hands or something like that, you need to clean this kind of like once a week or so, because you're gonna see that some of the fingerprints are gonna be kind of like in the surface. Other than that, this is a really big desk with lots of room to put all those monitors that you need. It has the drawers with storage, the electric standing feature, the light, the power outlet, and all the cable management. I think this is a really good desk. So remember, if you need a big, reliable, firm, and stable desk for your home office, your gaming setup, or something like that, check this one out because it has lots of features that I really like, and the electric standing feature, which I think is the most beneficial one. I really like it. Extra big, lots of room for all those fancy monitors you have, and plenty of room for still be productive and work your way. I like it. I do recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.